These mechanical toy videos are trending right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this exact style of content. Look at this page. 329,000 followers gained just by uploading similar videos, and individual videos reaching 22 million, 31 million, and 21 million views. And the crazy part, these videos are being created with completely free AI tools in under 3 minutes. Now watch what I just created using the exact same method. I am going to show you the full step-by-step process right now so you can start creating and posting these yourself today. Make sure to subscribe because I drop these tutorials regularly and you do not want to miss what is coming next. First, open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generator and click on the first result that appears. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. Within seconds, it will provide you 10 different mechanical toy concepts to choose from. 10 ready-made viral ideas sitting right in front of you. Now just pick any number you want. I am going with number 7. Once you enter your number, ChatGPT will provide you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt across 6 different models for that concept. Take a look through the options and choose the one that looks the most interesting to you. I am going with the road roller because it looks incredibly satisfying, and that is exactly the type of content that stops people mid-scroll. Now copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option from the menu and make sure all your desired settings are turned on before you generate. Paste the image prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured, detailed image for your first scene. Now here is the step that makes your video look professional and consistent. Choose the image you like the most from the outputs, click the 3 dots on it, and choose Add to Prompt. Now copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it here. Google Flow will generate your second image using the first image as a visual reference. Same style, same structure, same atmosphere. This is what makes both scenes feel like they belong together in one video. Your second image will be ready in seconds. Now let's bring both of these images to life. Choose the video option from the same panel and select your desired video settings. Now choose the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly in. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds, Google Flow will produce your complete viral mechanical toy video. Ultra realistic, smooth motion, ready to post immediately. Watch how clean and satisfying the final result looks. Now just have a look on another one I have created using the exact same method. Millions of views and thousands of followers. From AI-generated mechanical toy videos made in under 3 minutes with free tools. The entire process is right here. All you have to do is start. Subscribe for more tutorials like this and drop a like if this helped you.